Hello, my name is Chris Rowe, and this is a video for lesson 24. So let's get started. Round to the underlying number. So let's look at number one. When we're rounding, we have to look at the number right to the underlying number first. So 9 is the underlying number, and right to that number is 3. And 3 is less than 5. So we're going to round down, which gives us 2,890 as our answer. Let's look at number 2. To the right of 0, we have 4, and 4 is less than 5. So we're going to round down once again, which gives us 1,600,000 as our answer. Let's look at number 5. 63,945. 4 is the underlying number, and right to 4 is 5. If the number is 5, then we round up. So we get 63,950 as our answer. Let's look at number 7. 1 is the underlying number, and to the right of 1 we have 9, which is greater than 5. So we round up and we get 4,620 as our answer. Subtraction. Find the missing number. Let's get number 1. This is just simple subtraction. 9,989 minus 766. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 9 minus 0 is 9. And that's our answer, 9,223. Let's look at number 3. 7,698 minus blank is equal to 7,092. So what this means is that the difference between 7,698 and the blank number is equal to 7,092. What this also means is that the difference between 7,698 and 7,092 is blank. So what we can do here is subtract 7,092 from 7,698 to get the blank. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0, 6 minus 0 is 6, 7 minus 7 is 0. So 606 is what we get for blank. Let's look at number 5. Blank minus 843 is equal to 2,820. In this case, we can use the additive property of equality to get the blank. So we're going to add 843 to both sides to get the blank number. So 2,820 plus 843. And we get 3,663 as our answer. Okay, simplifying fractions. So when we're simplifying fractions, we have to find the common factor between the numerator and the denominator and divide both of them by that factor. So, for example, for number 1, the common factor of 7 and 56 is 7. So we're going to divide both sides, or divide the numerator and the denominator by 7 and get 1 and 8, and that's the answer. Let's look at number 3. The common factor of 15 and 20 is 5. So we're going to divide both of them by 5. And we get 3 over 4 as our answer. Let's look at number 5. 44 over 12. A common factor of both of those numbers is 4. So we're going to divide both of them by 4 and we get 11 over 3 as our answer. Let's look at number 7. 152 divided by 200. The common factor for both of those numbers is 8. And we get 19 over 25 as our answer. If you're having a tough time doing these, then we can cut it or split it in parts so that's easier. So, for example, we can divide them by 2 instead of 8. And we get 76 over 100 as our answer. Then we can divide them again by 4 this time. We see that 2 times 4 is 8, so it's basically doing the same thing, but splitting them in parts, so that's easier. And we get 19 over 25, just like here. Classifying triangles. So we're going to classify these triangles as scalene, isosceles, equilateral, or right. Scalene is when none of the side lengths are equal. Isosceles is when 2 of the sides are equal. Equilateral is when all sides are equal. Right is when one angle is a right angle. So let's look at number 1. We see that none of the side lengths are equal in this one. So we're going to classify it as scalene. Let's look at number 2. We see that 2 of the side lengths are equal here. So we're going to classify it as isosceles. Let's look at number 3. One of the angles is a right angle. So we're going to classify it as a right triangle. Number 4. All of the side lengths are equal. So we're going to classify it as equilateral. And that is it. Thank you.